Tame that overflowing email inbox once and for all. Whether you're trying to keep up with an out-of-control email chain or you've just returned from being out of the office, Rackspace Intelligent Coworker for the Enterprise, ICE, can summarize your emails and get you up to speed quickly. The ICE email summarization tool will read and summarize email threads, generate suggested responses written in a positive tone, and even hide or mask sensitive information. Let's see ICE email summarization in action. First, if you'd like to mask sensitive information, check the mask box. Next, paste the email copy you'd like summarized into the Enter Email field. If needed, you can mask and unmask sensitive information even after you've pasted it into the Enter Email field. It should update in real time. Now click Submit. The Issue Summary field should populate immediately. On top of a summary, you should now be able to easily see the core issue that prompted the email chain in the first place, when the issue arose, if there are any deadlines on finding a solution, and the overall tone of the email. If you scroll down to the Additional Context for Response field, you can ask the ICE email summarization tool to assess whether your coworker needs any additional documentation. After you click Generate Response, the email response field should populate with the requested copy. As you can see, because you requested mask sensitive information at the start, this response honours that command. And just like that, in only a few clicks, you are caught up on the entire email thread and ready to help move towards a solution. No matter what your role is, the ICE email summarization tool can help you make the most of your valuable time. To get started, visit fair.rackspace.com today.